I'm hearing some fire alarms going off. I'm not sure where they're coming from. I could hear them all the way over from the Cumberland County Library, though. I'm gonna try to find out where they're going, where they are exactly. So I'm heading towards the noise, and I feel like I'm getting closer, but I still don't know exactly where it is. Oh, I see some strobes flashing. It looks like it's coming from that building across the street. I'm not sure what building that is, though. They sound like they might be spectre alerts. Yep, I thought I heard some fire alarms going off. Couldn't really tell though because I was over at the library, but as I started walking I could hear them getting louder and louder. They might be doing a test because it looks like there's some construction going on too. It looks like it's a brand new building. Might be hard to tell what kind they are. But I thought this was really interesting though. This was a good opportunity for me to hear fire alarms. It's been a while since I've actually heard a fire alarm going off. Alright. Yeah, it looks like they might be testing then. I hear a lot of construction noises going on. Well, thanks for watching.